turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates.
This is the map, Tom Sawyer Island Explorer map. So yeah, let's go. Oh wow.
Oh, it just goes down over there.
That's it?
Yeah.
Mm.
You go down and that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're going through the cave. Let's see what happens. I can't see anything. Jesus.
Stabilize your feet.
Stabilize my feet. Oh god, I am so nervous. Going
in here.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh wow. It is so rocky. It's like I'm walking downhill. Oh my gosh.
You ready? Things are so scary when you look at them. 9 times out of 10 you I'm so scared.
Oh my god, that is so beautiful. I love it.
You like all these places slow?
And I didn't want to come in here. Huh?
And now you're seeing?
I love it. All right.
No, there's not.
There's somewhere else? Okay.
Here's the other place. No, it's I think this place is supposed to be illusion. Watch this.
Illusion? Oh gosh.
Big. They're like dwarfs.
You have to plant your feet firm when you walk through yourself. You come like one turn over. You come like the whole place on rock. I'm telling you. Nice stuff. Jeez.
Like.
Alright, that's it. Oh, thank God. Oh, I made it. It wasn't that bad. It was good. I was overreacting as normal. As normal. It was good. Said always. Always. Alright, next get Jesus Christ. Did this? Oh, whoa. It's so dark. Guys, make sure they go before me. No, you know me not able. Oh no, look, me not look. Whoa. Jeez. You're in the case. Oh my god. Ah! My bomba clot.
Really? Why did you scream?
Ah.
Why did you make me scream?
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Shut up.
Is that a bird? I'm letting now go upstairs now.
It's just mom. Oh my goodness. We gotta walk over. We gotta walk over.
Okay guys, now we're walking over the whole wall. Woo! That's scary. What is it? Come let me can't see nothing. How do you get out of this place?
We're here. Come on. Almost over. This one's Henry.
The cave's part of the path.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this one, Father God. Mama. Rocky Road. Oh my God. It's cool. Alligators and snakes in area. Keep an eye out. Anything can happen. Murder.
You guys are staying in the same place, and
Walking over the bridge. Me never cross so much bridge from the day me born. Hmm? Bridge full, man. Bridgie. I must say Bridgeton. Bridgington. Boy.
this is the picture, you know? I told you, be careful.
Woman.
They move.
You know me the official chicken eater. Okay. Boy. Very cool. But then gone upstairs already. Let's go upstairs then.
Lindsay, Bobby, Andrew, you're in board. You're not allowed to be.
See what they got going on up here. Oh, okay.
Mom says they found it.
It's working? Sound effects? Boy! Escape room. Guys, let's go. Watch your step. Watch out. Oh, I want to wait. Guys, that's that. Let's go back. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, we're heading back right now. The tour was good. Tom Sawyer Island Explorer. It was good. But right now this one I beat. I tell you. also check out the live replays. We go live every Sunday, and just don't have a specific time, but just keep the bell on so that way they will get notified when we're live, so you can chime in on the festivities, you know. Yeah.